let's begin shuffling. This is the deck that I'm using for the guardian angel messages. I'm going to select 2 cards from it. 2 cards means 2 angel messages, 2 different angels giving you, guiding you through the new moon. Okay, I'm going to select this one, which is hiding right here, the angel of energy fields, and this one, angel of action. All right, maybe you need to take action in your life, Taurus. These are the messages. So the angel of energy fields is all about you being too much attached to your phone, maybe your laptop, maybe your TV, and that's why the energy of the angel of energy field steps in. It says you need to take a break. You need to stay away from technology for some time, because maybe you guys are working hard so much that you're forgetting that you need to take a break, and that's affecting your eyes, that's giving you a migraine, because of course when you're constantly looking at a screen which has ultraviolet rays, by the way, you're taking those rays in your body, which is not very healthy thing to do. That's why the angel of energy field has come in. Obviously a lot of you would be working from home, or a lot of you would be connecting with friends on social media, or through phone, and that's why you're constantly there doing video calls and audio calls and just checking your social media, killing time, some of you. But you still need to take a break. Maybe just sleep or spend time in the nature, do a walk, do yoga, do meditation, something, but not phone, not TV, not laptop. Okay, so the angel is asking you, are you a slave to technology? Okay, Taurus, are you being bombarded by too many electromagnetic frequencies? Amplify the protection from these draining forces by reconnecting with earth. Like I said, take periodic breaks from electronics and re-energize yourself. This kind of drains your energy too. If you're constantly, I don't know if you notice or not, if I'm constantly on my phone looking at something, I feel like, oh my god, suddenly my energy is draining. I feel like, okay, I'm tired, or my eyes start hurting, or my head start hurting, and I have already migraine issues. So I need to stay away from phone and not look at it, at periodic intervals. I know for some of you who are working hard or are on their laptops, they can't really take a break, but you have to take a break. Take tea breaks, do not look at the screen for some time, and if you're watching movies, killing time, nothing to do at home, still take a break, go to sleep, do some yoga, do some exercise. If you can't go out, then I don't know, just sit with your family and talk. If don't look at the screen. So the positive affirmation to help you give you the strength to stay away from the technology and electromagnetic fields are: I am grounded and I'm focused. I enjoy relaxing in nature to regenerate and rejuvenate my energy field. My body easily deflects electromagnetic frequencies in my environment. I balance my life with fresh air and sunshine. Very important. Fresh air and sunshine. I don't know how fresh the fresh air is these days, but do keep your windows open, so that if you can't really go out without a mask, at least the fresh air is coming into your house, right, into your bedrooms and into your rooms and living area and everywhere. It's very important. Let's see what the angel of action is telling you. Definitely, I think there is something you need to take action on, and that's why the angel of action has come to help you. Maybe you are if it's in your personal life, maybe you are not taking action, maybe you're refraining from taking action, maybe you need to take the first step, maybe you need to make that phone call first, maybe you need to make that text first, or you need to just, I know that it's not the right time to travel, but you need to make that phone call or message first. I have that feeling. If you're not taking that job up, that is still there, the offer is still there, you need to take that job. You need to take some action in your life. Maybe it's towards your health, maybe you are procrastinating something. So like like I said, the angel is asking you, are you procrastinating? You are, Taurus. You are. Take action and complete what you have planned. Of course, you want to be with your lover. You can't be with your lover. You are just unnecessarily fighting. Maybe, I think, yeah, you are waiting on them, they are waiting on you, you know, that's not going to happen. So it's saying you are the one that needs to take action, because this hasn't come out in their reading. So it's not them, it's you. Complete what you have planned, right? Take action and complete what you have planned. Means you have planned something. You have planned the beautiful life for the both of you, but at the same time, you're very stubborn, Taurus. You're known to be stubborn, sweet but stubborn. So I think it's you who are being egoistic and not taking that action, not making that phone call, not sending that text. Please take action. It says speak up for yourself, you know. If there's something, if you guys had a fight and you thought that, you know, maybe they misunderstood you and that's why you were mad at them, that's why you're not messaging them and not calling them, then speak up for yourself. Clarify it, whatever it is. Explain it to them. Maybe they'll understand. If it's meant to be, they will understand. Follow through and take the necessary steps to see your projects to fruition. Maybe at your work, you're not doing things that you wanted to do, you know, as planned for your future. It's saying follow through your plans, no? Just don't keep them aside just because the pandemic happened. You still can make it. If you can, please do. Have confidence in your own ability to make things happen, right? If you think that, oh, I don't think it's really in my hand, I don't think she's going to say yes, I don't think I'm going to get that promotion, I don't think I'm going to get that job, then you're wrong. It says you have to have that confidence in your own ability to make things happen, because you can make things happen. You are, Taurus, you are known to make things happen. You are very confident people, and somehow I feel that in life, due to whatever reasons, you guys lose that confidence, you know, because of whatever happened with you. But you need to regain that confidence, because the angel of action says that you can make things happen. You still can. Even if you think it's too late, I feel you still can. So to give you the courage, the angel of action has positive affirmation for you, which you can start speaking from today itself and speak it until the full moon. It is, I am grounded and focused on the task at hand. I creatively complete projects so that I can enjoy and share the end result. I am motivated to accomplish all that needs to be done. So beautiful. What all you need to do, you need to keep away from phone, but that doesn't mean you don't make that phone call, right? You can just maybe stop Netflixing a lot. Maybe you can just stop checking social media a lot. Maybe you're just, you know, I don't know, missing your loved one, checking their social media page, and you know, or just checking your social media page, but then you're still not contacting them. If you're not contacting them, it's not gonna help. If you'll keep looking for jobs online but you won't accept the offer that you have already, or won't apply for the job, it's not gonna happen, right? So whatever it is, take action. Take action. Do the necessary things online and then take a break from technology. All right, I think that's the right way to go about it. So you guys take care, Taurus, and I am going to see you soon. So bye bye.